How to lock and unlock recently deleted photos on iPhone. Want to protect your deleted photos from prying eyes? Here's how to lock or unlock the recently deleted folder on your iPhone using Face ID. This quick setting could help you secure sensitive images in seconds. First, open the Photos app. Then scroll all the way down to Utilities and tap Recently Deleted. If there's no lock icon, it means the folder is currently unprotected, and anyone with access to your phone can view it. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to continue. If you haven't set up Face ID yet, you'll need to do that now. This feature won't work without it. Once Face ID is set, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Photos under the P section. Now scroll until you see the option Use Face ID, required to view hidden and recently deleted albums. Toggle this on. Go back to the Photos app. Now, when you tap Recently Deleted, you should see a lock icon. Tap it, and your iPhone will ask for Face ID authentication before granting access. If you ever want to disable this feature, just return to Settings then Photos, and toggle Use Face ID off. The folder will then be accessible without Face ID. That's it. A simple privacy boost that keeps your deleted photos truly private. Enable it now and take control of who sees what on your phone. If this video helped you out, tap like, and hit subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.